complex actions. In some cases, you can start in settings and end up in the control panel. For example, in settings, click on network and internet. From here, click on change adapter option. Okay. If we click on the best match, a window to settings menu appears to make changes to the wallpaper. In the control panel, change the view to a small icon. What is the last settings in the control panel view? I don't know. Windows Defender Firewall. Windows Defender Firewall. Okay, that's good. It's 32. That's the main thing done. Okay, Task Manager. 87. The last subject that will be tasked on in this module is the Task Manager. The Task Manager provides information about the applications and process currently running on the system. Other information is also available, such as how much CPU and RAM are being utilized, which falls under performance. You can access the Task Manager by right-clicking the taskbar. Okay, you can refer to this blog post for more detailed information about the Task Manager. If you wish to learn more about the core Windows processes and what each process is responsible for, visit the core Windows process ROM. What is the keyboard shortcut to open Task Manager? What is the keyboard shortcut to open Task Manager? Task Manager. এটা তোমার খুব দরকার। Control Shift plus ESC. Okay, that's good. Conclusion. Again, this was a generic overview of the Windows OS. Okay. There are intermediate and advanced topics for each topic that was covered in this room. Hence, Task 9 ended with a detailed blog post explaining the explaining the Task Manager in great detail. In future modules, we will cover topics like the Windows folder, the management console, security tools, Windows Defender, Firewall, etc. to name a few. Okay, completed. How much time it is? 35. Okay, congratulations. I want to terminate this Windows. Okay, here you can go now and go to dashboard and skill matrix. Now I want to complete the second fundamentals of Windows. Let's go module and go Windows fundamental and fundamentals 2. We will continue our journey exploring the Windows operating system. In Windows Fundamentals 1, we covered the desktop, the file system, user account control, the control panel settings, and the task manager. This module will attempt to provide an overview of some other utilities available within the Windows operating system and different methods to access these utilities. Launch the attached virtual machine. If you wish to access the virtual machine via remote desktop, use the credentials below. accept the certificate. Okay, complete. System configuration. The system configuration utility is for advanced troubleshooting, and its main purpose is to help diagnose startup issues. Reference the following documents here. For more information on the system configuration utility, there are several methods to launch system configuration. One method is from the start menu. You need local administrator rights to open this utility. The utility has 5 tabs across the top. Below are the names for each tab. We will briefly cover each tab in this task. General, boot, services, startup, tools. In the General tab, we can select what devices and services for Windows to load upon boot. The options are normal, diagnostic, or selective. In the Boot tab, we can define various boot options for the operating system. The Services tab lists all services configured for the system regardless of their state. A service is a special type of application that runs in the background. In the startup, you won't see anything interesting in the attached virtual machine. Below a screenshot of the startup tab for msconfig from my local machine. As you can see, Microsoft Advice is using Task Manager to manage enable disable startup items. The system configuration utility is not a startup management program. If you open Task Manager for the attached virtual machine, you will notice that Task Manager does not show a startup tab. There is a list of various utilities tools in the Tools tab that we can run to configure the operating system further. There is a brief description of each tool to provide some insights into what the tools is for. Notice the selected comment section. The information in this text box will change per tool. What is the name of the service that lists system internal as manufacturer? I don't know. Dashboard. Okay. Fundamentals 2. Okay. Here we go.